The Treasure of 114 Gems, a story about the Quran. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by tall palm trees, there lived a curious boy named Hassan. Hassan loved to ask questions, lots and lots of questions. One evening, while sitting under the twinkling star with his grandfather, he asked, "Grandfather, what is the most precious treasure in the whole world?" His grandfather smiled, his eyes twinkling like the star above. "My dear Hassan," he said, "the greatest treasure is not gold, is not diamonds, it is not hidden in mountain, it is the Quran." Hassan's eyes grew wide. "The Quran? But why is it called a treasure?" Grandfather closed and whispered, "Because inside it are 114 sparkling gems." 114 gems? Hassan repeated, surprised. "Yes," grandfather said. "Each gem is called a surah. A surah is like a special chapter full of guidance, lessons and stories from Allah." "Tell me more." Grandfather nodded. "The Quran has 30 parts. These parts called juz. This makes it easy from people to read a little every day." Hassan listened carefully. "And did you know," grandfather continued, "the longest surah is Suratul Baqarah and the shortest is Surat Al-Kawthar." "Wow," Hassan said. "That sounds amazing." Grandfather chuckled softly. "And every word in the Quran is perfect. Allah promised to protect it forever. Not a single letter has changed on over 1400 years." Hassan thought for a minute. "So the Quran teaches us how to live, right?" "Exactly," grandfather said. "It teaches us to be honest, kind, patient and thankful. It tells us about the prophets, about the heaven and about how much Allah loves us." Hassan smiled brightly. "I want to start reading it, even if it's just a little bit every day." Grandfather's heart filled with joy. He said warmly, "That's the true secret, my dear Hassan. The Quran is not just meant to be kept on a shelf. It is meant to live in our heart." Hassan looked up at the sky, feeling like he had just found the greatest treasure of all. Moral of the story: the Quran is a precious treasure filled with 114 surah, teaching us how to live with kindness, truth and love. Even reading a little every day bring us closer to Allah's light. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.